All right, guys, we are hungry. We are going to go over here to this Hardee's through the drive-thru. Don't forget to let me know what you thought about it. Should I do this? Should I not? Good idea, bad idea. Truck through the drive-thru because the lobby is closed. I'm hungry, want something to eat. And yeah. Have you ever seen this done? Don't look too busy over there, so it shouldn't be too much of a big deal. If this light will ever change. I don't know if you can see the drone right up there or not, but it's right up there. Let's go. We're not going to go through the actual car park, but and right up there's the drone. And it's Hardee's. You know, I've done McDonald's before, but we're not doing the McDonald's today. Car got in front of us because he was actually able to go through the drive-thru lane. We'll have to back up just a touch.
Go ahead.
You got chili fries? Chili cheese fries?
No, sir, we do not.
Okay, let me get a hot ham and cheese.
Would you like the big hot ham or just the regular hot ham?
Just the regular.
You want to get a combo?
No. Then let me get a small spicy chicken sandwich.
We don't have chicken sandwiches, sir.
Okay, let me get 2 Frisco burgers with onions.
You just want the burger with that?
Yeah.
Only onion or with onion on it?
Just add onion.
What else were you today?
That'll do it.
It'll be $16.54, please pull around.
All right, thank you. Not a problem at all, man. Just in case.
How you doing today?
Pretty good.
Uncle Bobby?
What's up, man? Hey, look.
Working hard, working. Oh, nice. Hey, will you just stay there all night? I'm cool with it. You need to back it up a little bit, though.
Oh, it's blocked. They can't nobody get through there.
Well, they can still order food.
They can order it, but they can't come around and get it.
Oh, I like your sticker, man.
Through drive-thru.
Oh, right on.
Got my drone up in the sky.
Oh,
Yeah, right on.
So guess what? You're gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah. What's up, gang?
Hey, let everybody know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment about how we getting through this drive-through in the big truck.
You don't like or subscribe, I will not serve you food. I will refuse your service. I can do that. It's my privilege. As being a drive-through worker.
You been working hard?
Yeah, man, I'm hardly working, still trying to figure it out.
I heard that.
Get a drink?
No.
Want a drink?
Nah.
Okay.
Be alright.
Be nice if we served beer.
Yeah.
I thought you wanted those.
No doubt. I got the drone up there too, man.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, man, I can't see it.
Yeah, it's a little, it's well, right in front of the truck.
Oh, cool. You put stuff on the front too?
I was gonna ask you if you seen the horns.
God, no.
Yeah.
It's not bad, though. I like it.
They're that big.
Really?
Yeah.
God, it looks nice, though. I like it.
Yeah.
It gives your truck character.
Yeah, it does.
It really does. You know, I like it a lot.
Rudy the ram head. Now he's been on there for a while. He's been on there for months.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, my brother Damien was on YouTube the other day. He's like, "Oh, look, Bobby's on his way home."
Yeah. I run the live streams, man, all the way. It was from time I leave here till the time I get back.
Right on. Yeah. Like or subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
I already have.
Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think about it.
Yep. Tell us what new things we can do to make your time on the channel better.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Because if you don't leave feedback, we will never know.
We don't know.
It'll never change. It'll be the same thing over and over again.
Live streams just all day long.
Yeah, exactly. You know, what else can you do, you know?
Right.
Ain't nothing else better to do in this town. At least make it a little enjoyable.
Donnie has got one on his truck where it says "Smile Your Own." That's actually dark gray. I went over that with a marker.
I would have too. Yeah, I need to get me one of those. I'm gonna slap it on the back of the Explorer.
Yeah.
Let me get you food. Did you
All
get
right.
fries?
No.
You want fries?
Nah. Not unless they're curly fries.
No, we ain't got those.
Yeah, I didn't think you did. Thank you, sir.
Holler, all right.
10-4. Hey, don't forget like and subscribe. Appreciate it, guys.
You gotta be good at it.
Right. All right. There you have it. Through the drive-through. Got our food. Now we gotta get our drone. So if you liked this video, found it interesting, don't forget to leave us a like. If you've not subscribed, do that. And tell me, would you drive an 18-wheeler through a drive-through? Have you ever seen it done? Do you know somebody that would drive it through a drive-through? I don't recommend it though, so anyway, appreciate you watching. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.